So I have a question. Have you ever asked yourself, is it possible for me to turn some simple bag of beans into a glorious tray of microgreens? Because I know I have. My family said it was impossible, my friends called me insane, but there was nothing in this world that would stop me. So I left home to find these magic beans, and perhaps find myself as well. Turns out, they were available at my local grocery store.
Your shelf stock with Jewel Oscar schedule and grocery subscription.
Bye. I'll start by just pouring out some beans into the tray I plan on using. This helps me better judge the amount of beans used in the next step. From there, I'll pull out the fanciest glass I have and fill it with the beans and some tap water. I'll let that sit for an hour or two just to give them a nice head start, and then we'll move on to propagation. I'll take that same tray I used earlier and fill it with some pre-moistened growing medium. I'm using cocoa coir, which came in a compressed brick, but you'll probably have success in any quality growing medium. Now, most importantly, we'll give these beans some love and wish them on a safe journey through life. Dude, you're being a little dramatic, don't you think? Oh, f*** off. Where were we? We'll pour the beans into the tray, spread them out evenly, and press them gently into the medium. Now these beans will need to stay moist. You could even go so far as to say it's moist critical. Sorry, bad YouTube joke. So we'll give them a nice proper shower just to make sure they don't dry out. And a little water for the lid. Close them up and set them in a safe place where your husband or wife won't accidentally throw them away. I've placed them under these LED lights, which I'll just turn off for now. "24 hours later, and we start to see the first signs of life. At this point, we can now turn the lights on, which we'll have on for about 18 hours a day. Over the next few days, I'll be checking on them twice a day and opening the lid to make sure some fresh air passes over the beans. It's now 48 hours from starting this project and things are progressing nicely. Turning the light on when things first sprouted has given these beans the energy they need to produce more chlorophyll and turn green. However, we still need to be careful to keep these babies moist at all times, as nothing will kill them faster than drying up. The next day we check on the progress, and we see leaves are beginning to emerge. Aw, how cute. Well, here we are, exactly 7 days later, almost to the hour since we originally sprouted these seeds, or sprouted these beans, as I should say. And everything's looking pretty good. I'll take one off here. You can see the leaves. The bean itself acts as the cotyledon leaves, and then we have just the husk of the bean here. This slides right off. And this tastes pretty freaking good, actually. Great to add to salads. Full of fiber, full of protein, full of enzymes, full of nutrients. Everything you could ever want, packed into this little itty bitty package. Flavor is similar to a sunflower microgreen, if you've ever had one of those. Kind of a nutty flavor to it, but definitely tasty. It's hard to tell, but there's still several more just getting ready to sprout. So you could probably get 2 flushes out of this. Cut the first one off, use it for salads, and then the rest of them will come up. But overall, very happy with the success. So in the end, we achieved our goal and perhaps discovered something about ourselves along the way. And best of all, we proved our family and friends wrong. Haha.